team here, Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, along with
Kayla. And if you ever thought about beautiful draping, here's your chance. Enrollment is free.
That's right. I know it sounds weird, but enrollment is free. All you have to do is click that link below and it will take you to a recurring payment plan. And your first payment, guess what? I waived it. So it doesn't matter how much it costs because you don't have to pay it. But this will actually save your seat and this will actually confirm your participation in the next masterclass, whichever location you select. And all you have to do is secure your balance on a recurring monthly payment plan. Now this I thought of to make it as simple and not so hard on the pockets as possible, right? Payment plans are as low as $200. So this is really to give you a way to really finally up-level your game. You've been thinking about it all year. You've been DMing me about it all year. You've been looking at other people's work, really, wanting to create that same kind of effect, right? And implement it into your business. So here is your chance. Here is your shot. I took all of the overwhelm out. I'm taking the risk and I'm doing it because you need it, right? You told me you want it. So this is your chance. Click the link below, enroll for free, and I'll see you guys in class.